Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're just replacing the shock absorber. We're just in the middle. It has now taken about 15 minutes to get shock absorber out of the Prius. So what are the steps I've taken to make it easy? Right, the steps are, there was a small pin here I had to take out on that side and just then walk it forward, and in that way, and then I was able to access the free screw that secures the shock absorber on top. Then, as usual, jack the car up, put on a stand, axle stand. Had to remove the drop ring. After that, there's two screws. Two screws I had to remove with a 22 millimeter socket. After that, I had to remove the brake cable as securing a screw, and I was able to pull out the shock absorber. Comes out easily. So the next step now is to replace the shock absorber from this one to this, to take the spring and top mount and put a new one. Ideally, you should, when you're changing this one, you should also buy a brand new spring, a brand new top mount. The top mount, this one is already brand new. The spring is an old one, and this is actually a brand new shock absorber. We recently changed, but when we changed, we were looking for KYB shock absorber, and we could not get KYB shock absorber, so we only got a Shinka. It is fantastic. You can tell the difference. The car drives very well. It's able to handle bumps easily. It drives like, almost like new. But because I'm really obsessed about getting things right, I've had to buy another KYB shock absorber on the left hand side. The right hand side already got KYB shock absorber, so we decided let's put a new KYB shock absorber, make it to match everything. This has only been on a car for about 3 weeks, and we just decided to take it out, and we'll possibly put it up for sale for half the price we bought it. So what next? So the difficult part of swapping a shock absorber is be able to compress a shock. So we have been using these ones. We have been using this one to compress, and but if you've got a garage nearby you, you can ask the garage to compress a shock absorber for you and swap them. Okay guys.